Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are learning SQL for data analytics, interview or real world reporting, this one is for you. So today's challenge and today's next question is all about 11th question. 12th question. So what is 12th question? It's about write a query to identify customers who have made transaction above $5,000 multiple time, and this question has been asked in American Express interview question series for data analyst, and it is for beginners to 3 years of work ex. So that means this question is useful if you are learning SQL, because this is asked for beginners. If you check that and you have checked the salary as well. So from here I would say today's challenge, I mean it is right to say today's challenge is how do we find customers who have made multiple transactions above $5,000 or 5,000. Sounds simple, but it's a common interview question and super practical in e-commerce and banking system. Let's break it down together. So step 1, let me minimize this. Step 1, we will create a table and we will insert all the data. I will paste this create and insert into query in the comment section, so that you can easily copy and paste it into your SQL database and run it. Like, it would save your time. And let's run this query and see what table do we get. We get this table with the transaction date, amount, customer ID and transaction ID. So as we have created table, and we will call this transaction amount I mean to say. So each row represent one transaction. Customer ID tells us like who made the transaction. Amount is how much amount they have spent, and transaction date records like when it happened. Sample data also done, everything. So in this, as the data is small, in this you can see like customer 101 have made 3 transactions, 2 of which are above 5,000. Customer 4 made 2 big transactions which are above 8,000. Yeah. So we will write the practical query right now and we will understand how to find it, and we will go step by step. And let me tell you, this query or this question which we will learn today is all about order of execution. So I will write the query in order of execution wise. I won't write anything here. I will start from order of execution. So from the table trans amount, trans amt, we will write where amount more than 5,000, as this was our question, and we will do a group by customer ID. Why group by customer ID? Because we need those customers who have made transactions more than 5,000, and also number of transactions which are more than 5,000. So if I say here first, order of execution is from the table. Second, order of execution is where query, like we will filter where the amount. And third order of execution is group by. Third order of execution, right? Why group by? Because we want those customers who have made those transactions. So in group by, what happened, the SQL will take the unique data, that's it, nothing else. Here why unique data I am saying, because here you can see there are like multiple transactions made by multiple customer ID. That's why what group by does is that it removes the duplicate and takes the unique data, unique data from the table and gives the output. That's why group by. And fourth order of execution comes to select. Select is what column you want in output. So we want obviously customer ID, and as I told you, number of transactions. So how you will find the number of transactions? By counting the number of transactions. So it's easy, you will write count amount and give a alias as a column name as amount count, right? So that's it, and it's all about the fourth order of execution, right? So SQL goes like this. Let me just minimize. Yeah, SQL goes like this. First it will see what table from the database. It will see the table, like SQL will find the table from the database. So from first, from this table, okay, SQL say okay, I found the table. Now what next? Now SQL will see, like, have you given any filter, like do I have to find out some data filtered, like filtered data or something? Do I have to find out that? SQL will see that, and SQL will see, yeah, where query is there, so I have to filter the data. So from that table, what SQL will do? SQL will first take those data like this. SQL will take 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 row. Why? Because these are those data which are more than 5,000, that's why. So from this data it will find the unique customer ID and then count the amount. Count the amount of those customer IDs who have made transaction more than 5,000. It works like that in order of execution, and this is what we have to learn in this question. So once we run it, you can see 101 have done 2 transactions where the amount is more than 5,000. 104 has done 2 transactions where amount is more than 5,000, and 102 has done 1 transaction which is more than 5,000, because in greater than this it will also include it will also in wait, let me show. I think it was yeah, I think this data they are showing, because 102 is having 1 data and 7,000. So in this they will find out all those customers who have done transaction amount more than 5,000. So doesn't matter they have done 1 or 2 or 3, it will show you. So that's all about today's query. And before ending this video, I would say make a notes. And what notes we will select the order of execution. So first is like we filter the rows only to those whose amount is more than 5,000. Then we create a group by customer ID, and then we only give the customers who are having those transaction, means the amount more than 5,000, those transaction, and that's exactly what we want. So what means, if you get to the real world scenario, like imagine working in a bank or retail analyst team, this query will help you in various terms. Like first I would say identify loyal premium customers. Second thing is, like if you want to send some special offers to the premium customers, you can find the customer ID and send them a mail or a coupon card or something like that. Or track for fraud alert if big transactions spike suddenly. So these are the use in real world scenario, and this kind of queries are written in real world scenario, believe me. And now, like, you know how to find customers with repeat high value transaction, like more than 5,000 or 6,000, anything. So after knowing this, if this helped you, then please like, comment and subscribe for more hands-on SQL and data tips. And as you subscribe, please click on the bell icon, because it will give you notification as well. And please share the video to those who are preparing for interviews, or those who want to come into like data analyst environment, so that they would give, means we would be able to give them a hands-on experience, or I could say like a trailer, like how data analysis is and how data analysts work in real world scenario. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye, take care and happy coding.